What is going on, guys? Back with a new video, and in today's video we'll be unboxing not one but two M5 13-inch iPad Pros, so stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into it. So first off, we'll start off with the first M5 13-inch iPad Pro. Again, this is the 13-inch model with 512 gigabytes of storage. Included in the box is the iPad Pro. We'll place that off to the side. We also get a quick start guide, as well as a USB Type-C charger and a USB Type-C charging cable. And just a quick side note, both of these models are the cellular editions. This M5 13-inch iPad Pro features a resolution of 2752 by 2064 for a total PPI of 264. Removing the protective plastic from the second M5 13-inch iPad Pro, I have to say that it's very light and extremely thin. So the reason that I purchased two is I wanted to check out the Nano-Texture display that's only available on the 1TB or 2TB option. So I did pick up the 2TB edition here on the left that we're looking at now, and the one on the right is again the 512 gigabyte with the standard display glass. And as you can see, there's a huge difference in terms of reflectivity. So if you're working in direct sunlight or a heavily lit studio, this is going to be the perfect option for you. Now under the hood, we're going to get a 10-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, and a 10-core GPU if you get the 1TB and 2TB storage option. Just a quick heads up, guys, I did pick up the Apple Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil Pro. We'll be making a video on that here very soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that content. Now this is just a quick unboxing video. However, let me know down in the comments section below when I make the 20 to 30 minute long review on this M5 13-inch iPad Pro what specific things you would like to see me cover. I will be covering that Nano-Texture display, of course. However, again, let me know down in the comments section what you would specifically like to see me cover in that video. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.